Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome back.
You gotta focus up in here. Get focused on me, man, not these pillows over here.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video here on the channel. We are here, actually in the trailer right now, but we're at Swiona. We came out to Swiona for the Steel City Riders race. The race is actually tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. Today is Saturday. I was gonna come up and practice today, but the track is apparently pretty muddy. I haven't left the trailer because I'm like lazy goonzig today, but there are people out there riding. It is rideable. I think it is gonna dry up with a bunch of people getting out there and riding. At this point, I think there's been like 3 people out there on the track, so I'll update you guys throughout the day. Let's get on with the video. All in all, track's not too bad. Dealing with a little bit of muck here, but for the most part, looks like it might be a decent day. Look at Maya, man. Maya's on the lurk. It's time, guys. It is time to hit the track. Hopefully these knee braces saved my life. The track's looking, man, honestly, a little muddy. It's not looking the best. My song won't go on, man. It's muddy, it's windy, it's cold. Whoever said fall riding is the best riding, you guys are crazy, man. Yeah, I don't need to do anything dumb. Here we go. So tight. One ride out there on the track, the steed is actually not looking too bad at all. It's decent. The track is a little bit muddy. It's actually not too bad though. The lines are deep and they kind of go like absolutely everywhere, so it's a little bit tough to get around out there, but honestly I was expecting it to be like a lot worse. It is kind of late, like I think it's already like 2 o'clock. Let me check. 2:18, man, so I think it's only riding till like 4. Like I said, it's only gonna get better from here on out. Ride 1, no complaints. You can never complain. It's always a good day when you're out here riding dirt bikes. Am I right? I'm right. Alright guys, we made it out here to the middle of the track. I don't know what's gonna go down, but I'm gonna get some footage, get some clips, throw them into the vlog. I don't even know if I'm gonna make it out for another moto, so I was like, you know what? Before the day is over, I gotta get some clips for the vlog, so we out here getting some clips. Let's go. being 100% honest, I'm actually shook with how nice the track turned out. It was like poop soup this morning, but as of right now, man, it's a little rutted, but as long as you like ruts, it's mint. You guys remember when we came out here to Swiona earlier in the year? This jump right here is like the one triple that I didn't do. Dylan's hitting it, and after watching him hit it, yo, I don't think I'm about it. He's coming out of the rutted corner, full commit, wide open seat mounts off of there, and he's like barely making it. I know I could do it. I know I'd be okay. I'm gonna let this one defeat me though. I'm okay with walking out of here in one piece and not crashing on that jump. So there's that triple back there that I was just at, and then there's also this one here that I'm not doing. Let's see what the man Dylan's doing. On the gas, whoop! That's sick, man. I don't think I'll be doing that, but that corner is shaping up, and that look, mint. I just realized it's mad windy out here too, so you guys probably can't even hear like a single thing. That guy out here, number 331, he's the Robbie K imposter, man. And that's it, guys. It's time for me to hop on the steed and get another moto in. Hopefully I got some good clips for you guys. I went ahead and pretty much filmed everything. The fast guys, the 85s, the 65s, the ladies. I just got clips of everybody out there shredding. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that little segment, and I'm gonna go hit the track for my last ride. Riding's done for the day. I think I'm just gonna chill out, maybe edit some GoPro footage, get some Insta pics, Insta clips, everything ready to go for the gram. The track was good, and for the most part, I think it was actually better than when I came earlier in the year with my brother. I think the track ended up shaping up a lot better. Here today, actually getting some lines, the track was a ton of fun. I still didn't hit the triples, man. The triples, I ain't about them. Look at this, man. The boy Goonzig is kitted for winter out here. It's time for a track walk. Let's go. She's looking looking like chocolate cake. Track looking like that, man. Even I'm gonna want to race tomorrow. That's rare.
Alright guys, it is currently like 8:30 the next day. I didn't even record an outro for the vlog. So that's what we're doing right here, right now. Everyone's pretty much just getting up. It's a race day. I don't think I'm gonna race. I'm probably gonna head out like halfway through the day. Starting my new job tomorrow, so I don't know. I just want to go home and chill. I'm ready for it. I am definitely ready to get working, start making some money, and it should be pretty good. That's it for this vlog. I might actually take the first half of the race day today to film another vlog. I'm not even sure what I got like footage wise for this vlog, so yeah, I've been slacking recently, but I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, smash that thumbs up, throw any comments down below, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and I will catch everyone in another video. Peace out.